Wagwan, what's great? Chef Agent Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make honey butter lemon chicken. Yeah, man, we put some things together and say your proper recipe, chicken nice and soft like so. You want to know the thing tastes down? Come closer now, man, or should I come closer? I'm sure now Wagwan.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And this way I work with. See? So today I want to show you how to get this prepared the realest way. It's a very quick and easy method. I know you want to cut this chicken into nice bite-sized pieces. Try to get them as even as possible. You know what I say? You want to wash that chicken thoroughly. You get what I say? With a little bit of vinegar, water and some lime if you have it. If you don't, vinegar and water is fine. Don't wash the thing with no soap. See? After you have this properly washed, the next step you're going to take is to season the chicken. And what are we going to season chicken with? We're going to be seasoning this with cornstarch. And what the cornstarch does in this recipe is to allow the chicken to be nice and crisp and to make that butter to stick onto the chicken so they fry nicely. See? So for the cornstarch, you're going to go into half a cup. Next up, we're going to add black pepper. Now I like a little bit of heat into whatever I'm eating, and black pepper make everything a little bit nicer. You know what I'm saying? So add a little bit of black pepper, just a sprinkle about half a teaspoon. Next up, we have the garlic powder. You know what I'm saying? Garlic powder give it a nice little taste to it. Just sprinkle about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Be generous but not over generous because you don't want to overpower the meal. We're gonna then hit that with some soy sauce. Yes, soy sauce and not salt. Because we're not gonna be putting any salt in this recipe because soy sauce or soya sauce has its own salt content. And this is also for color to the chicken. So the fry we get that nice golden look all around. So we're going to go in with about quarter cup of that soy or soya sauce. Next up, we're going to be adding some oyster sauce. This is optional, but I like a little bit of oyster sauce in mine. If you have a shellfish allergy or seafood allergy, you can omit the oyster sauce. But the oyster sauce also gives it a nice flavor when combined with that soya sauce. So I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon and a half thereabout. Then we're going to go in with one whole egg. And the egg in this process is to help everything to come together. You know what I say? It's just like when you subscribe to the thing. When you click the bell notification and the video then release, everybody just come together and view the thing. And of course, this is very optional. This ingredient is going to be a repeat further on in this video. But I like a little bit of chili flakes. If you watch some of my previous videos, you realize that I use a little bit of chili flakes. You know what I say? The place hot outside, so we want to feel a little bit chilly at summertime. You see me? So chili flakes, just a pinch, optional, but I like my flakes in the thing. So once you have all those ingredients, we're now going to combine those. I realize right now that I can also add a bit of flour to help out that cornstarch to thicken up the butter a little bit more. 1/8 of a cup of flour to nicely coat the chicken breasts. So when they fry, you don't dry them out instantly, but instead you get a nice crispy butter. And then now the chicken breast is nice and juicy on the inside. On the sauce when I talk. But so once you have all of that prepared, we're going to just set that in the refrigerator for an hour at minimum to marinate properly to get that great flavor that you're looking for. However, I'm going to be leaving mine overnight. Once you grab this out of the fridge, you're going to realize that everything has become gooey. Don't worry about that. What you can do is add about a tablespoon and a half or two of water. Mix that out just to loosen up the flour. Because you know the flour has a lot of gluten in it, and with gluten, it's a bit stretchy. You know what I say? You don't want that. Just add a little bit of water. Not too much because you don't want to thin out the butter. Add a bit of water, about a tablespoon. Mix that with your spoon, or if you want to use your hands, but spoons preferably. Use a spoon, mix that in, get everything. We want to make our sauce first because you don't want to have the chicken fried, crispy, and then sitting there getting soggy. So you make the sauce first. While that is being reduced, then you can start and fry the chicken. So for the sauce, we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that nicely melted. Once that's melted now, you're going to now come in with 2.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. That tomato ketchup is going to add a little bit of acidity to the thing and a bit more flavor and color. Going to hence give it that nice orange look. Then we're going to add some soy sauce. Just a cap full of that soy sauce just to balance it out and to give us a bit more color. Then here you see us adding in our honey. We're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of honey there about. And then now we're going to add a cup of water to that. So half of a lemon and squeeze the juice. Give it a bit of acidity along with that tomato ketchup, but then it also gives it that flavor. Allow everything now to come to a simmer. Once that is simmering, we're going to head on over to frying our chicken. So here for the chicken now, 1 cup of oil heated up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that's heated up, we're going to hit that now with our chicken pieces. Then we're just going to separate these and drop them right in our 320 degrees oil. So that's the sizzle you want to hear. And we just separate them. Move in your hands quickly because you don't want any to overcook. So this 1 pound chicken breast will be cooked in 2 batches. So I want to turn these now. They're nice and crisp. They're like little fritters. Because remember that cornstarch made them nice and crunchy. Because remember the sauce is going to get them back softened, right? But we want them nice and crunchy. 1.5 minutes and we'll flip those over. So it's going to be frying these for at least 3 minutes at most. Alright, right out. So we'll pull these right out. Real quick. And we drop them right in our basket. You have to turn that oil down a little bit. You realize it's smoking. So we'll just turn it down to cool it down a little bit. Then we're going to go in now with our second batch. These turn real quick. They are like little chicken nuggets. Turn them real quick. Realize some of them stick together. We'll just separate that. Alright, out we go with these. Alright, the sauce is good, but you know me, I like a little bit of spice, so I'm going to head in with a little bit of my chili flakes. This is total optional. If I know the chili or the scotch bonnet, you know, the chili is so convenient. Alright, you realize now how that sauce is becoming thicker. Nice. That's what you want. Going to have a bit of sesame seed in the sauce. This is going to bring up the thing, you know. Nice little crunch factor. About a teaspoon. Nice up the sauce, you see it? And then in that sauce, we're going to go right in with our chicken. Beautiful. And just mix the sauce in. quick and easy.
Daddy,
Oh yeah.
I don't almost finished making dinner.
It's not dinner, it's lunch.
Done.
And there you go. Beautiful, my people. This is not something to have a lot of sauce. You just wanted to coat the chicken. See? Ready up. Look at that. Wow. Got a proper serving. Onto our rice. Beauty. So now we're gonna add a bit of sesame seed just to add crunch and to give the dish a nice look. And look how beautiful that chicken looks. And there you have it. How to make honey butter lemon chicken here on More Style Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. I just thought I would video. Someone just decide. We're gonna be eating this chicken together, right?
Yeah.
Chicken is ready. Jamir is here. I'll give a bag of trouble. It's time for us to eat. Let's do this. Ready? Say let's do this.
Let's do this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice. Put the water this song.
Daddy, look, hear this noise with this song.
What song? How much chicken you want?
I would have 1, 2, and 3.
Just 3?
Yeah.
Slim.
Oh, and one more. 1, 2.
It's lame, bro.
I wanna
Sorry, it doesn't look as appealing
I
right
wanna
now.
have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cause I'm a big one to eat them.
You a big boy? You sure you don't want to eat with the spoon, bro?
No!
Alright, give me a spoon.
What's the pick?
You can't eat with that now. Eat with the fork. Jammer. It's a bit spicy.
It's spicy?
Yeah. Chili flakes, bro. Come. You're wasting time right now. Use a fork. You can't use chopstick. We'll teach you at a later time. Not even me can't use it, but we have a try. That's enough? Yeah.
I want to try too.
Even me can't use chopstick. You think I'm black and easy? Come. Sit up. Man, make it fall. Come, bite it. But I see him can eat with the chopstick, you know? Jamie have more table manners than me. He has his hands off the table and I have mine on. But
my other hand is not on the table. Look.
Good job. Don't be like me. Be greater. Yeah, bro.
I want to go bigger to have those pets.
The chicken is nice and soft. Don't put all that in your mouth, man. You choke.
I want to get 1.5. I want to get 1. Look. See? I cut it in. See? And the people put something in their mouth and cut it in half in their teeth.
Yeah, but you didn't cut yours in half. You ate the entire thing, bro.
Well, people bite the steak and then cut it in half. Yeah, with the teeth. Because the teeth are sharp.
Sharp teeth there.
Yeah, because it makes them get cut and bleed.
Unless they bite themselves. Only cannibal bite themselves, bro.
Yeah, that probably bites somebody. I want to tell you something, Daddy.
No.
No. Daddy.
No.
Skeleton.
No. want it here, bro.
It is good.
No!
It is good. It is good. It is good.
Eat the food.
Oh, okay.
Tell me I eat the food. Tell me.
Dip.
Tell me what you tell me, but eat the food. Oh, I can't.
This one's so giant.
Yeah. Bite it.
Okay. All done. I tricked you.
Love chickpea, no?
Yeah, I tricked you.
Yeah, I chicken from my own. Bushman. Almost there. Chopstick not giving much justice, but we're not give up on it. But yeah, big up the people, them. Try the recipe, tell me what you think about it. You see me? Now my boss, we have to tell them something.
In this video.
Yeah! Say that again.
In the thumbs up in this video, you like to see this again.
What? Are you gonna tell them to subscribe?
And if food's yummy, you can subscribe.
Oh, yeah, man? Camera off, no, daddy. You said if the food's yummy, you can subscribe. Good job, thank you. You're awesome, job.
I know.
What?
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
Whoa, cocky much. No more compliment out of me, bro. Excuse me.
I know what's
And
good.
on the dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.
Man. Me there, my people. Me there.